Why is the ISS coming to an end? Deciding to end the International Space Station's mission isn't just about old hardware. It's a complex mix of technical challenges, financial realities, and shifting priorities in space exploration. Maintaining the ISS is incredibly expensive, with billions of dollars spent annually to keep it running safely and effectively. As the station ages, these costs only rise, especially since repairs become more frequent and complicated. At the same time, space agencies like NASA are turning their attention to new frontiers, such as the Moon and Mars, which demand fresh investments and innovative technologies. Politically, the ISS has been a beacon of international cooperation, but geopolitical tensions and changing partnerships also influence the decision to retire it. Moreover, the station's design limits how much it can be upgraded to meet the needs of future missions. Private companies are stepping into the spotlight, offering new opportunities for commercial space stations that could take over some of the ISS's roles more cost-effectively. All these factors combined mean that while the ISS has been an extraordinary achievement, it's no longer sustainable or aligned with the next era of space exploration. The decision to retire the ISS is a strategic move to redirect resources and focus on building the future of human presence in space, ensuring that progress continues beyond low Earth orbit.